Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Kelly's Garage, and I'm Kelly, and this is the very first video in a series about cleaning up and organizing and improving my garage slash shop. I'm hopeful to make this a fully functioning wood shop that's organized and ready for any kind of projects I want to go forward. So you can see me in fast motion starting that work, trying to get many tools I have organized and cleaned up so that I can move those two shelves on the far wall to the other side of the garage and replace them with a workbench that I'll be building out of that lumber you see in the middle of the garage floor there. So enjoy, and of course like and subscribe to this channel, and please comment and let me know if you have any suggestions or tips or tricks or anything that you might think that I'm doing wrong or unsafe. I'm always open to hear any kind of suggestions or feedback on any topic in this video. But again, just above all, enjoy, and look forward to making many more videos.